Today we will solve this problem using the concept of average boiling point. The question that is given here is to find the characterization factor of a crude oil on the whole basis for the specific gravity that is given is 0.852, and the second part of the question is mention its base, whether it is aromatic, paraffinic or naphthenic. So for that thing we have to find out the characterization factor and then base. So here the equation for calculation of characterization factor is given. K is equal to cubic root of R upon 0.827 multiplied by the specific gravity. But the R that is given here is basically the average boiling point, and in this case it is a molar average boiling point. So that is basically the main issue. We have to find out the molar average boiling point of the crude oil, and using this K equation we can find out the value of K, and with the help of the K we can find out the base, because if the K is less than 10 then it will be aromatic, and if it is greater than 12.5 then it will be a paraffinic, and between 10 to 12.5 it will be a naphthenic. Now let us solve the problem. First step for solution is to calculate the average boiling point on the volume basis. So we know the formula T30 50 70 upon 3. So 30 volume percent temperature, 50 volume percent temperature and 70 volume percent temperature. So this is a crude oil that is given here, and this is the equation that is used for the calculation of temperature for the given volume. So we can use this equation to solve. So this is about that is given here 30, 70, and this is for 30 volume percent, this is for 50 volume percent, this is for 70 volume percent. Temperature is given for all these three, and then we can use the volume average boiling point with the help of this equation. So it will give 304 degrees Celsius. So this is the step 1 to calculate the volume average boiling point of the crude oil. Now come to the next step. Step 2 is find out the TBP slope of the crude oil. So we know about the TBP slope equation. So we have to find out T70 about temperatures, and then divided by 60, that will give the slope of the TBP temperature TBP curve, that is 3.7. Now the next step, first is completed, second is completed. Next step, I find out the delta T from the graph. So for that thing we have to use the graph. This is our graph. So this is our graph where this is a molar average boiling point, x-axis is a slope. So we know about the slope 3.7, so there will be a line for 3.7, and the next step is these are the volume average boiling point curves. The value is 3.4. So the problem is that this is 204, 260, 90. So we need to take the approximate value. For that one we have to draw a very close and approximate value for 304. So this way we can write 304, and then we can find out this point, that is intersection point, and then find out the y-axis, that is a differential delta T, that is very close to minus 30 value. So we can say delta T is minus 30 degrees Celsius. But after that we can find out the we know that molar average boiling point is volume average boiling point plus delta T. So adding in the volume average we can get 1. So this is our fourth step to calculate the molar average boiling point by this equation. So we have to put minus 30 value, and we can get the value as 274. So that is the step 4, molar average boiling point. Now we have calculated the molar average boiling point 274. Now step 5 is use the formula to calculate the characterization factor K. Now everything is known, R is known, density is known, and then we have to put these values. So after that we can find out, after putting all these values, we can find out the K value is 9.16. So our first part is completed. The second part, the crude oil base, so we should know about this one. This table, you all should know about this table. So on the basis of the value, because it is less than 10, so it will be aromatic one. So now we can conclude that the K value is 9.16 and the base is aromatic. So thank you.